I remembered once when I was not feeling well and I wanted to take something really light and comforting. This mushroom soup is one of my favorites, and I call this a healing soup for me. Mushroom soup goes well with the bread that I'm going to teach you how to cook. This is a butter Parmesan bread. I think the skin is a little tough, so it's good that we remove them. We're going to spread the butter onto the sliced bread. Okay, then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese on top of the bread. Slice the onions. For the garlic, we're just going to leave the whole piece in. Next is the mushroom. I need to remove the stem of the mushroom, and then we're just going to slice it into just 4 pieces. Take maybe 1 or 2 of the button mushrooms and slice them thinly, and it's going to be a garnishing on top of the soup. To make the bread with Parmesan cheese, I'm going to add a little olive oil. Put the bread into the pan, but face it down. So it's golden brown. The Parmesan sticks onto the bread. Once it's done, just remove it from the pan. Using the same pan, I'm going to add in a little butter, and I'm going to saute some garlic and onions. Add in your chopped mushroom. Okay, you can add on a bit more butter and a little bit more olive oil. When you fry and there's a little bit of water coming out from the mushroom, you should wait a little longer for the water to infuse back into the mushroom itself. And that is where you get the most flavorful mushroom soup. I'm going to add in vegetable stocks. And then last but not least, I'm going to add in some pepper. We add in some cream. Let it boil for a while, and then next we are going to blend the mushroom soup. It's very important to have a blender at home. It's a must equipment in the home. Okay, so it's done. Just a little butter into the pan, and then you just add on your sliced mushroom. We're just going to saute until it's brown. After blending the mushroom soup, I'm going to pour it back into the pan again. Ooh, look at that sizzling. I'm going to add mirin, and this gives a little sweetness in the mushroom soup. Okay, and then give it a good stir, and make sure the texture is beautiful. Not too thick and not too thin. Done. I'm going to put it into a serving bowl. I'm going to add in some of the sauteed mushroom, not forgetting to add in this wonderful crispy Parmesan butter bread. There you go. This is my homemade creamy mushroom soup with Parmesan butter breadsticks. Give us a like and look forward for more recipes.